Hey guys, looking for a great 2K gaming monitor without breaking the bank? Today we are reviewing the Xiaomi 2K gaming monitor, the G27Qi. So find out if it's really the best budget pick in 2025. So first let's talk about the specs of this monitor. So it has 27-inch fast IPS panel, QHD, that is 2560 into 1440, the full HD actually, with 180 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond GTG response rate. So ideal for smooth gameplay. The color is 95% DCI P3, 100% sRGB, factory calibrated BLE less than 2. Eye care features: it has a TUV low blue light, DC dimming, FreeSense with dual display port and HDMI inputs. Now let's talk about the real world use. So Reddit users shared their thought that for its price, it's great. Comes with FreeSense HDR 180 Hz. I'd say it's definitely worth the price. Another user said that colors are great. I only had it for a month and no problem so far. And even PC building forums Echo said that it's on par, if not better, than entry-level branded 1440p 144 Hz monitors Super Slut Talaga. Now let's talk about the issues and considerations. Yes, it has some issues and consideration. So, but it's not flawless actually. So edge blurring reported by some users, that side edge looks blurry when viewed head aligned. QA concerns: Xiaomi QC has been mixed, firmware bugs and stock pixels have been found in related G series lines. Ergonomics: stand only tilts, no height or pivot adjustment through its it is actually a base mountable. Now here is the final verdict for you. The Xiaomi G27Qi packs top tier specs, high refresh rate, crisp QHD, and great color accuracy for around around $165 to $200, making it one of the best budget gaming monitors of 2025. But order from retailers with solid return policy. You might encounter QA issues or edge quirks, and be ready to remount or upgrade the stand. If value plus performance is your priority, this monitor delivers. If flawless build quality or full ergonomics matter, then consider pricier alternatives. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.